This is a 2010 BMW 528. Plus, having just come off lease, this BMW is in like-new condition. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, adaptive brake lights, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 42,000 miles. This BMW has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.